Hello all, today we are going to make a tricolor wall hanging. For this we need the following items. Starting with the orange paper, keeping it horizontal, we are going to make pointers of 2 cm gap at the top and the bottom of the paper. Join the pointers by connecting them through a vertical line. Follow these lines and fold the paper following the fan fold pattern. Fold the paper into half as shown in the video. Repeat all the steps onto the white paper also. Make sure you follow the same gap of 2 cm for the white paper too. After fan folding the white paper, fold it into half as shown in the video. Repeat all the steps onto the green paper following the gap of 2 cm. After finishing the fan fold on the green paper, fold it into half like this. Glue the inside flaps to each other to give it a look of half fan. Repeat this step to other pieces too. Using the dark blue paper, cut out a vertical 1 scale width strip. Folding the paper into half, we will create paper frills on the dark blue sheet. Here we are following a gap of 1 cm to make the pointers. Following these vertical lines, cut out the paper frills. Make sure you don't cut till the corner of the paper. Repeat the steps of making paper frills onto the light blue paper too. Follow the gap of 1 centimeter here also. Cut the vertical strips following these lines. Make sure you do not cut till the center. Fold the paper in the opposite direction so the pencil marks are not visible. Keeping the light blue paper inside the dark blue paper, let's roll the paper by applying Fevicol at the corner and give it a look of a paper pom-pom. Let's assemble our tricolor wall craft hanging. Use a ribbon or a thread to create a loop and paste it at the back side of the vertical dark blue strip. Follow the steps as shown in the video to give the final look to our wall hanging craft. Paste the paper pom-pom made from the dark blue and light blue sheets at the end of the strip and then paste the green fan. Using any pencil, you can roll out the ends of the paper pom-pom to give it a different look. Your tricolor wall hanging craft is now ready. I hope you enjoyed making this wall hanging craft. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more creative videos. Jai Hind and bye all.